Hey, what's up? This is Joseph Parra. And this is my bike check. First off, I'll start with my frame. S&M Camwood. Shout out to Clayton Bikes for hooking that up. Go to my hoops. Got Colony hoops. Zach Shoemaker customly drilled out holes in them. Shout out to him, thanks man. Profile mini hubs, female. Black and white spokes, you know. Gotta keep it nice. The Shadow Conspiracy chain. Doesn't make too much noise, I like it. Federal 28 tooth sprocket. I just turned to this one. I like it, it's pretty good. Get up pretty fast going. Colt cranks. Shadow Conspiracy pedals. Shout out to my brother Joseph Parra for hooking them up. Thanks man. Demolition fat seat. Good for bar spins, catching them all, like pinching it. I like it pretty good. Had this for a while. Profile top load stem. Really like it. Nice for nose manuals. Colt forks. Had those for a long time. They've been holding up pretty good. Colt leader bars. Chrome. Gotta keep that chrome on there. Custom headset. You know, cracks whenever you move it. You know, that's pretty dialed. We've got two different bar ends. One metal Colony. One ODI rubber one. One day my metal one just broke off, so I found the ODI one on the ground. So I thought, whatever, I'll just have one other one. Colt pegs, best sliding metal pegs out there. Shout out to Colt. And BSD back hub guard. It's pretty good, And Machete demolition tires. I really like them. They have lots of tread. Good for trails, park, street, whatever you want. I like it. And custom super light helium tubes. You know, gotta have those to keep you high off the ground. You know, that's about it, man. Thanks for checking out my bike check.